Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video like this. I'm going to be talking about my channel and how much I make, so that way you guys can get an idea how much small YouTubers like me make. So far I have a little bit over 2,000 subscribers, and I only receive 3 paychecks from YouTube. And just so you know, Google actually pays you, not YouTube, because Google is the boss of YouTube. So you may be shocked, or you might not be. So for me, my first YouTube paycheck was $107. I got it through direct deposit, and it came on the 22nd. And I always get paid on the 22nd. I think it depends on your bank. I've heard some people get paid on the 21st, but for me, it's always, I always see it in my bank on the 22nd. So for the first one, it was 107, and it was because it was accumulated for 3 months. How YouTube works is you have to get at least $100 in order to get paid every month. But the cool thing is that if you do not reach that threshold, it will roll over to the next month, and it will build up until you will have at least $100. So for me, it was for 3 months. So the first month, I believe it was like $32, and then the second month was like $54, and then the third month was the one that helped me reach $107. So that's how much I made for the first one. And then the next month after that, it was 140. I'm gonna leave a little picture right here just so you guys see my transaction history. So I did see a little growth. It wasn't big growth, but I was happy that it was actually growing. And then for the third paycheck, it was $171. So far, those are the only 3 payments that I got from YouTube. But I am really excited, guys, because with YouTube, from my experience, it's all about being consistent and being dedicated, hard work, and keep grinding. That would be like my number 1 tip. I like this saying from Tony Horton. Maybe some of you guys heard his saying. He's a trainer, and he created P90X, and that's what I am currently doing right now. I'm doing P90X as my workout at home, and I use the Beachbody app. And I know I'm like going off, but his saying is always do your best and forget the rest. And that's something I always try to keep in mind. I'm doing my best and forget the rest. Don't look at other people here, what they're doing. Don't look at their progress. If they're going from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in a month or a year, focus on you, because when you're focusing on you, you are not going to be stressed and feeling like you want to give up because you're like, well, mine's not working. Well, why is mine not growing like that? Like, it does get frustrating, trust me. And I have done that in the past, and I've gotten stressed where I was just like, I can't do it. I really can't do it. And guys, I'm telling you, there was so many times I would tell myself, I just want to quit. Just want to let you guys know that this is not my first time starting YouTube. Last time I did YouTube before I shut it down, I had over 13,000 subscribers. And it was at that point where my subscribers were growing about 4,000 subscribers a month. And I shut it down, which I do regret. That's a whole different story for maybe a different video. But I do have experience with YouTube because I have done it in the past. So do not give up, guys. To me, at first, I was a little discouraged, I'm not gonna lie, because last time when I did YouTube, it grew pretty fast, and this time it's a little slower. But guys, it's all about progress. I'm telling you, you will see progress, you will see growth. But like I said, just be consistent. Don't give up. Even if you don't see growth, even if you don't see progress, and you feel like, I don't know, I'm doing something wrong. No, you're not. You really are not. You just got to keep on going. I am going to do a video on how long it takes to get monetized and what is the regulations that YouTube has in order to get monetized. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But that is it, guys. I know this is a short video, but I really wanted to make it because I'm really hoping it helps somebody out, especially if you're a small YouTuber like me, or you're barely starting out and maybe you have like 20 or 50 subscribers and you feel discouraged. Please don't give up. If you know YouTube is your passion and you love what you do, keep doing it. And here's another thing. I've heard someone say this before, which really encouraged me. A lot of YouTubers end up not making it and they quit, and a lot of them end up not being successful on YouTube is because they quit too soon, or they just quit. They just can't do it anymore because they feel like nothing's happening and they end up quitting. People that end up making it big and they become successful on YouTube are the ones that keep on grinding. They don't see results, they don't see anything. There's times where you won't see nothing. It feels like it's just like at a standstill. Keep on going. YouTube is all about being consistent, hard work, and not giving up. Just keep going. Because some people become very successful in a year, some in 2 years, some in 3, some in 4. And some of them blow up in like 5 years. They have 1 million subscribers. I'm gonna continue doing videos like this ever so often, just so that way it helps someone out. If you guys are starting out, like I said, hopefully it does help you out and it encourages you to keep on going. You can do it. Trust me, you can do it. So that is it, guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm. If you are still watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, really? Click that subscribe button right now. It is free. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.